Mr. Speaker, turning to other areas of the country currently in the medium level where rates are rising fast. First, in London, infection rates are on a steep upward path, with the number of cases doubling every 10 days. The 7-day average case rate stands today at 97, rising sharply. We know from the first peak that the infection can spread fast and put huge pressures on the NHS, so we must act now to prevent the need for tougher measures later on. So working closely with the Mayor, with cross-party council leadership, with local public health officials and the national team, we've together agreed that London needs to move to local COVID alert level high. I want to take a moment to thank all those involved for their exemplary hard work, the collegiate nature of decision-making, the collaborative approach, and the constructive work, all focused on the public health and economic well-being of our citizens. And to Londoners, and to all who work in our great capital, I want to say thank you for what you've done to suppress the virus once. We now all need to play our part in getting the virus under control once again. And I know the sacrifices this means, but I know that if we work together, we can defeat this. Working with local leaders in Essex and Elmbridge, we're also moving them into local alert level high. And I want to pay tribute to the leadership of Essex County Council and in Elmbridge, where they've been working so hard to suppress the virus. Mr. Speaker, infection rates are also rising sharply in Barrow-in-Furness, in York, in North East Derbyshire, in Erewash and Chesterfield. In all of these places, cases are doubling in less than a fortnight. For all of the areas entering the high alert level, the change will come into effect 1 minute past midnight on Saturday morning, and this includes Barrow-in-Furness, York, North East Derbyshire, Erewash and Chesterfield too. The central change is that people cannot now meet other households socially indoors. This applies in any setting, at home or in a restaurant or in any other venue. The rule of 6 still applies in any outdoor setting. And although you may continue to travel to open venues, you should reduce the number of journeys where possible.